We have definite integral from -3 to -2. What else? We have to check if our function is continuous. Our denominator is always different than 0 because we have 1 and we have x squared, so it will be positive number. So we can say that our function in the interval from -3 to 2 is continuous. Next step, we have to solve our definite integral like indefinite integral. So let me rewrite this. We have definite integral from -3 to -2. We have 3x dx over 1 plus x squared. To solve this integral, we will use substitution method. Let me put u is equal 1 plus x squared. Next, we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to x. So du to dx is equal, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x squared is 2x. Next, we have to substitute x and dx by u and du because we cannot mix up x and u in one expression. So next we have to find du. It means we have to reduce denominator. To reduce denominator, I will multiply both sides by dx. Dx and dx we can reduce, and we have du is equal to x dx. Let me first rewrite our integral because we have multiplication here and we have constant. It means we can take this constant before integral symbol, so it will be 3 times integral from -3 to -2 of x dx over 1 plus x squared. We put that u is equal 1 plus x squared. So we have u in denominator. And now we have to substitute x dx. We have that du is equal to x dx. We don't need this 2. So I will divide both sides of our equation by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce. Now we have that x dx is equal 1/2 du. I only change the sides. So next step, because we have definite integral from -3 to -2, we have to change the limits. It means I have to find how much equals u for x equals -2 and -3. First, let's put x equals -3. U, it will be 1 plus, we have 1 plus x squared. So x we have to replace by -3. To second power, this is equal 1 plus 9 is 10. Next, we have to find the upper limit. X is equal -2. So we will have u is equal 1 plus -2 to second power. This is equal 1 plus 4 is 5. Now we can rewrite our definite integral. 3 we have to copy, and we have integral now from 10 to 5. And instead of x dx, we have to put 1/2 du over 1 plus x squared is u. So this is equal. Constant we can take before integral symbol, so it will be 3 times 1/2 is 3 over 2. And we have integral from 10 to 5 of du to u. This is equal. We know that integral of du over u is natural logarithm, so we have to copy first 3 over 2, and we have natural logarithm of absolute value of u, and we have to now draw vertical bar. On the top we have upper limit is 5, and on the bottom we have lower limit is 10. This is equal. Next step, we have to substitute first u by upper limit, it means by 5, so we have to copy 3 over 2 times natural logarithm of absolute value of 5 minus, next we have to substitute u by lower limit is 10, so it will be 3 over 2 times natural logarithm of 10. This is equal, let me use calculator. We have 3 over 2 times natural logarithm of 5, because absolute value of 5 is 5. This is equal minus 3 over 2 times natural logarithm of 10, because absolute value of 10 is 10. This is equal, we have negative 1.03. This is my solution.